Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. This is my first video on YouTube. Hope your support and your love. So today I am drawing a very basic drawing for kids, a scenery. Follow my videos step by step and do it in your own to improve your skills. So I have already completed the pencil drawing, and here I am using Camel oil pastel, the normal one, the very basic one, and starting with lemon yellow in the sky as I am showing you the daytime in the painting. You can also put sky blue if you wish to. I am giving borders with color so that the pencil line do not smudge with the color line. So as you can see, I've already completed the sky and starting with light green in the banana tree, and again first give the borders and then fill the colors to avoid smudging. So all the colors used in the painting by me is already mentioned in the video, and here I am giving the finishing touch with black color so that the drawing looks complete and more natural. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel, comment if you have any query or any suggestion, and share this video if you like with everyone. And if you watched till the end, thank you so much. Stay tuned for more such videos and love you a lot.